press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am going to discuss with you with nominalization from grammar. Is it? So this is a nominalization, okay, which we can come to know about in today's class. This part is coming in grammar, okay. So what is called nominalization? Okay, so what is this nominalization? Here I have written a definition here. It is a type of a word formation in which a verb or an adjective is used as a noun. Okay, so this is a word formation where verb or an adjective, the word which is verb or an adjective, it is used. Okay, so when it is used, when it is formed as a noun, that is called as a nominalization. Okay, so here I wanted to tell another one definition for this, that is nominalization. It leads to the formation of a noun from a verb and adjective. Okay, so this nominalization which leads to a noun, okay, so which forms a noun from an adjective word or an word. Okay, so this is, so let's see about the definition, another definition of this. So this nominalization leads to the formation of a noun. Okay, so the main concentration of this word is the noun. Okay, so if it takes a verb or if it is any verb or an adjective, so when we add it, when we form it, so it gives a noun word. Okay, either it is a verb or it is a adjective. Okay, adjective, when we use this nominalization, it is forming a noun. Okay, that word is forming a noun. So let's see here the example of this definition. So here the first is occur. So this word occur is a verb. Okay, so this is a verb. So when we add nominalization, okay, so that is the suffix. Okay, suffix means here we add, you may also call this as a suffix, that is ans, occur. When we add this ance, this is called occurrence. So now this word is called as noun. Okay, so when we add this ance, that is the nominalization. Okay, that is means suffix. So there if we add to this verb, okay, that is occur. So this is a verb. When we add this, so then it called as a occurrence. So that means noun. Okay, so here it is a suffix. So these are called as a suffix. Okay, so when we add to this verb, so it gives a formation of a word, formation of a noun, that is occurrence. Okay, so this is, let's see about the formation of nouns from verbs. Okay, the formation of nouns from verb. Formation of nouns from verbs. Okay, if we take the verb word, okay, any verb word, so when we add this nominalization, it forms a noun. Okay, so let's see that which are the things here. Nouns are usually formed by adding a suffix to the verb. Okay, so this nouns, so these nouns are usually how it forms? By adding suffixes. Okay, usually by adding, usually form, okay, usually form by adding suffix, okay, suffix to the verb, suffix to the verb, suffix to the verb. So let's see that which is the suffix here. So the first is added, added a, this is a suffix, the suffix word, ation, this is a suffix word, that is ation. Now when we add this to the noun, so what this to the verb, so we will form a noun here, okay. So what is this? When we take this verb, what is the verb? I will take it here, adopt, okay. Adopt is a verb word. Then if we add this suffix ation, so it form a noun, that is adaptation, adaptation, okay. So it gives a noun here, it forms noun. So next example is exam plus ation, this is the suffix word letters, then it form a examination, examination, you may call examine, okay, examine, then examination. The next is prepare, prepare, if we add this, so what a noun is forming here, that is preparation, preparation, okay, preparation, like this. So it is called as a nominalization. I hope that you have understood now. If we take any verb or an adjective words, so if we add suffixes, okay, if we add suffixes, we will get a noun words. So that is called as a nominalization. So let's see that some of the other suffixes, letters. Let's see that other suffixes, letters here. So next is added, added, this is ICATION, okay, this is the thing. So what is the verb here? Apply. So apply is a verb, okay, so it is verb, action, word. Then if we add this ICATION, so it forms a noun word. So what is this? Application, okay, application. So that means this is the nominalization. So next is quantity. So next is quantity. Sorry, it's not quantity, it's a multiply. So multiply is a action word. Then if we add ICATION to this, so it gives a noun, that is multiplication. It gives multiplication. The next is, okay, the next is glory, glorify. Okay, if some matches, if any team has won the matches or any person has win for the country or the state, so that becomes a glorified victory. Okay, so now if we add ICATION to this, it gives a noun word, that is glorification. Glorification. Okay. So now once again we will look over this. So here if I add ICATION, this is a suffix. If I add to this verb, okay, so these are the verb, this is a verb. If I add this suffix to this, then we will form a word. We are forming word here, that is application, that is the noun. So then when we take this verb multiply, when we add this suffix, then we will get multiplication, this is a word. And the next is, we will take a verb here, then we will add this, then we will get a noun word, that is glorification. Okay. So let's see the next suffixes, suffix letters. If we add to that word, so what we will get is here. So the next is meant. Meant. Okay. So whenever you just see these kind of words, you should have to identify. So this is a verb. When we add this one, it changes into noun. Okay. If any verb or any adjective words, if you see there, and you could see that there is a suffixes. So that means if we add this letters to this, it changes into noun. It forms another word, that is a noun here. Okay. So this is next is appoint. So next verb is, this is a verb. Okay, that is appoint. So when we add this MEANT, meant, we will get a noun here. So we will get noun, this formation is called noun, that is appointment. So this is, okay. So appoint is a verb, word is a verb. Then we will add, if we add the suffix here, then we will get a appointment. So the next is settle. Settle. Then if we add this MEENT, then we will get settlement. Okay. Next is improve. Improve. This is a verb. So then if we add suffix here, then we will get improvement. Improvement. So this is about the added MEANT. So let's see about the URE. Okay, that is the suffix. So URE. Here if we use any verb word, that is close. Close is a verb word. Then if we add URE, so it form a noun, that is closure. Okay, what is that? That's a closure. Closure. The next is fail. Fail. Then if we add RURE, so now you guys, you will say this. Okay, what we will get? The word is, that is noun, that is failure. Failure. Okay, and the next is please. If we add URE to this verb, then we will get pleasure. Pleasure. Okay. So you can see that the pronunciation is different here when we use this URE to this and to this and for the pleasure. Okay. So this is, and next we will see that ANCE, that is the suffix. If we add that, so what the verb, what the noun we will get here? Okay, so next is here ANCE. So this is a verb. So if we take any verb word, that is accept. Accept. So then If you add A and C to this, then it becomes acceptance. So this is a noun. Okay. And next is perform. Okay. Usually we use some words like perform. Okay. So that gives a action word. So when we add suffix here, that is A and C, then it is form a noun called performance. Performance. Okay. Then next is allow. Allow. Then A and C. Aloneness. Allowance. Okay. Allowance. Allow. A and C. Allowance. Okay. This is. So then next we will discuss with the some of the other suffixes here. Okay. Which are the main suffixes? Words are, letters are, I'm going to say to you. AGE. AGE. So then, here the verb. So what is the verb? Cover. If we take AGE, then we will get a noun, that is coverage. Coverage. The next is block. Block. If we add AGE, then we get blockage. Understanding, you guys, how I am just changing this verb into noun, okay, by adding suffixes here. That is called nominalization. Okay, so don't get confused here. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can use your comment box. So then next is marry. Marry. If you add this AGE, then it forms a word called marriage. Okay, like this. Let's see with the suffix. I hope that you have written in your classwork. Okay, that is cover plus then AGE, then it gives it forms a verb that is it forms a noun, that is coverage. Then block plus AGE, it forms a noun, that is blockage. The next is marry plus AGE, then it forms a word called marriage. So let's see with the AL. Okay, AL. So now let's take a word which is verb. If I add AL, then it's forming trial. Okay, trial. Then survive. AL, then it gives survival. Survival. Then disapprove. Disapprove. Disapprove, AL, then disapproval. Okay, so this is about verb, that is try, plus if we add a suffix that is al, then it gives a noun called trial. Then survive, it is a action word. Then if we use the suffix that is al, then it gives a survival, that is noun. Then disapprove plus al, it gives a noun called disapproval. Okay, so let's see with some of the adjective words. So now we have discussed about some of the verb words. So let's see some of the adjectives. Okay, so formation of nouns from adjectives. Formation of nouns from adjectives. So let's see here. The first is added suffix, that is ness, ness. Okay. Then adjective word is adjective word. Let's see that. And here is the noun. Here, smart. It is a adjective. When we add ness, then it forms a noun called, that is smartness. Okay. The next adjective word, that is hard. Hard. If we add ness, then it gives hardness. Okay. Then sweet. So these are the adjective words. Okay. So then if we use smart, hard and sweet with ness, now the sweet plus ness, it gives sweetness. Okay. So this is. Okay, I hope that you all are understood with this, how we are change the adjectives. When we add some suffixes here, then it gives a noun words. Okay, so let's see with the ry. The another suffixes words are ry. Okay, ry. So here, brave plus ry, then it gives bravery. Then gallant, ry, gallantry. Gallantry. Okay, so like this. So let's see with next some of the suffixes, that is th. Okay, so then deep plus th. So what we will get here? Depth. So depth. Okay, then long plus th, it gives, length. Then true, th, then it gives truth. Then wide plus th, it gives width. Okay, so these are the nouns. When we take some adjective words, if we use some of the suffixes, we get these kind of nouns here. Okay, so let's see with some of the other two suffixes here, that is ity and ty. Okay, ity and ty. First is ity. So first we will take active. If we use ity, it gives activity. The next is clear plus ity. It gives clarity. Then able plus ity, then it gives ability. Okay, like this way we are going to form nouns with the help of some suffixes, but some adjective words we have to take and some verb words we have to take, okay. And the last one is I am going to say you, that is ty, okay. The last is ty. Okay, let's see that what kind of a words we are getting here. Okay, first adjective is intelligent. Intelligent plus ty, we get this is not ty, wait, this is enc. Okay, ENC, okay, ENC, CE, intelligence, intelligence. The next is brilliant plus ENC, then we get brilliance. 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 Then the next is confident. Confidence. Confidence, okay. So these are the words how we will form nouns from these adjectives with the help of the suffixes words, okay. And with the help of the verbs we will find we will form some of the nouns here. That's called as a nominalization. I hope that you all are understood this part of grammar, okay. So you just work on this, you will get so many adjectives and other verbs, and with the help of that you will form a noun words, okay. So this is the today's class. I hope that you all are understood. Just practice well, okay. We will meet you in the next class. Till then all of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.